Good morning. It's the 4th of July. So what do? We garden. The bumblebees have done such a good job in the garden this year that we're going to have several varieties of spaghetti squash, it looks like. Here's another example of the cross-pollination. We got one there. Got one there. One regulation winter squash. White will turn kind of orange. And right off to the side, we've got these giant teardrops, which I'm thinking have to be part cucumber. I think some of them might have been cross-pollinated with zucchini, yellow squash, cucumbers, cantaloupe. We'll see what we get. There, your tomatoes getting out of hand. When I went to download pictures this morning for subscriber submissions, I'm going to say I had bugs in the computer. I must have hit the wrong button. Alright, well that's a start. I also have a new subscriber, Jim, from Billings, Montana, that's been involved with the community garden for several years. I look forward to including their successes in future episodes. Thank you, Jim, for letting us know what our neighbors across the United States are doing. This week we'll also finish pruning the bottom of the big tomatoes. Well, I think we got away pretty easy with the blister beetle infestation. But I do have to do some pruning and tying up of the main tomatoes. They are just loaded, and they're turning red. You know what that means. Salsa! Now I've got another subscriber, Jim. This thing is a stallion. Horse, radish, stallion. Okay, it was funny. Jim's lemon is also blooming. And from what I understand, since he sent the pictures, they found a lemon behind a leaf. I look forward to seeing this thing covered in lemons. Thank you, Jim, for your submissions. Now, when we planted the cantaloupe next to the fence as a trellis, I told you they'd have no problem holding on to the cantaloupe. And look at that. There's a cantaloupe hanging in the air. We have several under the leaves down in through here. The cantaloupe is taken off nicely. Well, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. You can see some of the damage on the beet leaves. We got them taken care of before they destroyed it. And I don't think we had to come out here and do an emergency. Let's pick everything before we lose it. We are going to can some beets this week. I don't know how many of the tops we're going to be able to save. We looked at Kenneth Seeley's raised beds earlier this year. Kenneth did confess that he thought the late frost had taken out his zucchini, but it came back with a vengeance. He said he's never had so many zucchini. Kenneth would like to know what your secret is for why these cucumbers are all just pouring over the edge of your raised beds, and these tomatoes speak for themselves. Wow. Thank you for your update. We've got a yellow squash. We'll be taking the first tomato out of the container garden here directly. Our spaghetti squash in the bucket now has 2 banana pepper in the bucket. Got a ladybug. Ladybugs patrolling our container garden. We've got a butterfly in the herb garden. Spectacular. Our miniature blueberries really taken off. White lilies are just opening up. This is what happens when you take the center out of a green pepper from the store and put it in a container. Add a little water. Our pole beans in the container. Turmeric seems to like where I planted it. The flowers on the cowpeas are just gorgeous. Cowpeas, I only had 2 plants come up. This is the row that the armadillo kind of tore through, bulldozed. Check out Rose's garden. That small raised bed is now filled. I think she's getting ready to go make some fried green tomatoes. Tim, thanks for sending your submission. This garden is great. Now, my wife was afraid I wouldn't be able to walk in there. I think she might be right. Don't tell her I said that. If you want to be part of the subscriber group, hit that little icon right down in the corner. Let's plant. Leave me a comment. Go over to Facebook. Love to highlight your successes. If you want to see everybody else's successes, click that link right there. It'll show you the last 10 videos. Before I get out here and pick any more cucumbers or zucchini, I got a little canning to do. Come visit me in the kitchen. All right, till next time, God bless you and see you later. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.